Hello everyone, and welcome once again to this your channel. In case you don't know me, I am Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. And with this tutorial, I want to teach you how to make this perfect egg. I say perfect because for me it's like that. Also, I consider that it is easy and fast to do, and we can use for an ends of project thinking on Easter. Also, we already have bunny, rattles, bunny, carrot, and small carrot. All of these tutorials you can find the links on the description of this video. This egg is about 6.5 centimeters long, but depends on the yarn that you want to use. Here is all the materials you will use for this project. If you prefer to select different materials, that is okay too. This is the brand yarn La Abuelita. We have more yarns color on our website GretaWings.com. And this color is like a white off color charm, but you can use another colors if you prefer that. We will use 2.5 millimeters hook. It's important that you know I made a single crochet in a form of X, but we already have one tutorial on this channel explain more about the single crochet in a form of VX or fake X. I made the single crochet in X, but you can use whatever you prefer. If you want to know more about that, in the description of this video you can find some link. Of course, we will use stuffing and wool needle, and that's it. This is all the materials that we will need, and we will use this egg or the idea for the next project. I hope and you like it and you want to do it, and if it's like that, let's start. We will start on round 1 making a magic ring, and then 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and you can close the magic ring. Put some mark if you think that is necessary for you. We will work in a spiral, and on round 2 we will make 8 increase. 1 single crochet, 1 more in the same base, and we already have the first increase. We will continue doing increase until finish this round with 16 points. On round 3, we will start with 1 single crochet, and after that in the next point 1 increase. We will continue repeating 1 single crochet and 1 increase all round, and we will finish this round with 24 points. On round 4, we will start with 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3, and then 1 increase. We'll continue repeating 3 single crochet and 1 increase all round, and we will finish this round with 30 points. On round 5, we will make 30 single crochet, 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 6, we will start with 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now 1 increase. We will continue repeating 4 single crochet and 1 increase all round, and we will finish this round with 36 points. On round 7, we will make 36 single crochet, 1, 2, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 8, we will start with 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now 1 increase. We will continue repeating 5 single crochet and 1 increase until finish this round with 42 points. From round 9 to 12, we will make 42 single crochet in each round. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round and continue doing exactly the same until round 12. I'm already finished the round 12, and on round 13 we will start with 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and now 1 decrease. We will continue repeating 5 single crochet and 1 decrease all round, and we will finish with 36 points. On rounds 14 and 15, we will make 36 single crochet in each one. 1, 2, 3, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round and repeating the same on round 15. 36 single crochet. On round 16, we will start with 2 single crochet. 1 and 2. And now 1 decrease. This detail is just to move the decrease. Then we will repeat 5 times 4 single crochet and 1 decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 1 decrease. We will continue repeating 4 single crochet and 1 decrease 4 times more. And for the end we will have 2 points and we will make 2 single crochet more. 1 and 2, and we already finished this round with 30 points. And on rounds 17 and 18 we will make 30 single crochet in each one. 1, 2, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and exactly the same 30 single crochet on round 18. On round 19 we will start with 3 single crochet, 1, 2, and 3, and 1 decrease. We will continue repeating 3 single crochet and 1 decrease all round. We will finish this round with 24 points. On round 20, we will make 24 single crochet. 1, 2, and we will continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 21, we will start with 2 single crochet. 1 and 2, and now 1 decrease. Continue repeating 2 single crochet and 1 decrease all round. We will finish this round with 18 points. On round 22, we will repeat 1 single crochet and 1 decrease all round. 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Repeating exactly the same all round, and we will finish with 12 points. And on round 23 and the last round, we will make 12 single crochet. I prefer make 12 single crochet, but if you prefer make 6 decrease, you can also do it. Okay? For me, it's better this because we can finish this round, put the stuff, and later close. But if you plan to make 6 decrease, you need to put the stuff in before. I'm almost finished this round 23. And after that, pay close attention, you just need to put the stuff in and later close using a wool needle. already finished this egg. I hope and you like it. And if it's like that, please don't forget to leave me your like and your comment. I really appreciate it and that support this wonderful project. And if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell and you will receive notification every time that I upload new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end. Until next Amigurumi, bye bye!